Parang bagong kasal. Ekonin palaging magka-holding hands. Sarap nang walang tinatago. Red carpet official na sina Jericho Rosales at Janine Gutierrez na ayon sa mga netizen ay sobrang bagay. Sina Jericho at Janine ay magkasamang dumalo sa Preview Ball 2025. Jericho Rosales and Janine Gutierrez just made it red carpet official ayon sa post ng Cosmopolitan PH. Sa comment section mababasa naman na netizen approved sina Eko at Janine. Ang sarap panoorin ng Ekonin. Parehas fresh, blooming, and good looking. Iba talaga pag real love. Perfect couple. Grabe, ang perfect and gorgeous couple. Bagay na bagay sila. Sobrang bagay. My love, Ekonin. You and at Jericho Rosales official are perfect couple. I love you so much. Miss Ganda and Mr. Pogi. Bagong kasal vibes talaga eh. Anong gagawin? Grabe, kakilig. Wow, grabe, classy couple. Yeah, most stylish couple. So stunning and gorgeous. As always, Irish. Amazing, perfect, and hottest couple. Looking so perfect together.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past.
Well, kitang-kita naman sa mga larawan at video na lumabas kung gaano sila kasaya at ka-in-love sa isa't isa. Iba talaga kapag wala nang itinatago sa relasyon at layag na layag sa publiko. Kayo ba kinilig ng husto sa mga paayuda ni Janine at Eko? Tila mag-asawa lang ang peg sa naturang red carpet na yon. Nagustuhan nyo ba yon at umaasa kayo na sa simbahan din mauuwi at kasalan ang lahat? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.